Welcome to FabuPRO. This is now video number 9, and oh my god guys, you have helped us reach a milestone. We have finally reached 10K subscribers! Woo! Yeah! You guys want to celebrate with me? Everybody dance now! Dun, 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 dun. Ow. All right, now back to business. In celebration of our 10K subscribers, we are going to be doing a giveaway. If you want to enter, you want to go ahead and check out the link down below. In the previous video, we talked about how to use gel pads and medical tape to isolate the bottom lashes. In this video, we are going to talk about how to prep and prime the natural lashes. This is the FabuPRO Primer and Cleanser 2-in-1. This is a first look at our new product that we'll be launching soon. So now that we are done isolating the bottom lashes, we are now going to move on to prepping and cleaning the lashes. So here we have the 2 micro brushes. And we are also going to grab the FabuPRO Primer and Cleanser. So initially when my guest comes in, we do have them wash their eyes. But this is an extra step that we take to make sure that the eyes are completely clean and primed. So we're just going to grab 1 drop. And I'll usually just mix them in. Alright, so as you can see, I have 1 of the micro brushes on the top and 1 on the bottom. And I'm just very gently sliding them both together. If you pull too hard on the lashes, you can possibly lift up her lid like this and her lid is moving right now, and you want to avoid that because the primer can get into the eye and bother. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to pull too hard. As you saw that I pulled a little too hard, I also brought out one of her natural lashes, and that is something that you want to avoid. Your job is to put eyelash extensions on the natural lashes, not to pull them out. So you'll always just have to be very, very gentle and careful. Did that hurt?
No.
So as I was saying, just be very, very gentle. You don't want to pull on the lid, and you also don't want to pull on the natural eyelashes. Alright, so we're gonna add 1 drop of the primer. As you saw, that was just 1 drop. And then we're gonna mix them together. You do not need a lot. A little comes a long way. And just my personal preference, I just start from the outer corner to the inner corner. That's just me. There's not a specific way to do this. So as you can see right here, I don't know if that's glue or a little piece of mascara, but we're going to try to remove that. Oh, and it just came right off. So now that we have already primed and cleaned the natural lashes, you just want to grab a mascara wand and you can go ahead and brush through the natural lashes. This is basically just to make sure that the natural lashes are completely dry. And just remember, before you draw a blueprint, make sure that you have already primed and prepped the natural lashes. And you can see how they're just a little wet, and once you brush through the natural lashes, they kind of just start drying a little. Which is why we usually take this time to go ahead and set your lashes or your extensions down and get everything ready while they dry. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you guys are notified whenever we post another video.